Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, we are going to be looking at our final big holiday event that's happening at Walmart, where we're going to look at Cyber Monday deals. So all of these deals start online on the 27th, which is actually Sunday at 7 p.m. And of course, we'll carry on into the next day for Cyber Monday. There's lots of really great deals coming. I've peeked at a few of them, but basically this is going to be the very first time that I'm going to be looking at all of them with you. So let's check them out. So I'm going to scroll on down here. Obviously, you can go to walmart.com and look at these yourself if you'd like to, but it's easier sometimes just to kind of talk them over. We have a laptop there for $199. You have a Barbie Malibu House playset, normally $99. It's going to be half price, $49.97 for Black Friday, or sorry, not Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I'm gonna have to get used to saying Cyber Monday. $59 for an Apple TV. There you go. Normally $99. We have $297 on an exercise rower. Wow. It's normally priced $597. You're getting $300 off. That's craziness. We also have a Shark Vertex cordless stick. $199, normally priced $349. Paw Patrol Big Truck Pups are going to be $64, normally priced $87.26. So if you've got some toys left to buy, this might be an option for you. $499 normal price for a RoboVac, but it's going to be just $199. Wow, a huge savings there. Any kind of Crocs there? It looks like we're getting a $5 savings there with Crocs. $49.88 for Funko Pop Album Deluxe Blink 182. There you go. Probably going to see a lot of those Funko Pops. That's just one of the particular ones they have. $99 for some Steel Series gaming headset. Okay, normally priced $140 or $39, so $40 savings from the sale price actually. So it's normally priced $169.99. Crossed out price there. Scooting on up here, we have an air fryer for just $49. We have some curlers for $29.97. We have some Pioneer Woman stainless. It looks like a knife set there for $29.97. Okay. If you need some snack chips, go ahead and order them. They're going to be $16.48 as opposed to $21.86. I guess if you're already just doing an online order, you might as well, right? $499 for that tablet. Oh my goodness, that seems so expensive. I'm cheap, so I don't spend that much money on electronics for sure. $19.99 on a Gravity crew neck. There you go. So it's super soft. Reebok. There it is. Reebok. $169 on iHome AutoVac robot. $59 for a Snake Bite battery radio control monster truck. Fun. You got a little one coming into the family. You may want to grab this infant swing for $119.99. And then we also have this Sony TV there for it's almost $2,000. It's now down to about $1,300. So nice big savings there. $15 for an iced coffee maker. We also have $40 for Disney Encanto singing sisters. So Maribel and Isabella. So you're getting two of them. So that's not bad with two of them. $79 on your Frigidaire ice maker. It's kind of cool. So I guess if you don't have an ice maker in your fridge, you could get one of those. Funko Pop Moment. Was it Christmas Vacation vinyl? Okay, so again, more of those Funko Pops. $49.88 there. We have Paris Women's Long Puffer Coat with hood for $44.99. $248 for that TV. We also have $129 for a sound bar. $288 on this Roku Smart TV. It's normally priced $378. LOL. Okay, is LOL still a big thing? My kids have never gotten into LOL. I've never had to buy them, but they always seem to be really, really big these last few years. $50. We also have a pet bed there for just $20. We have a Hot Wheels Massive Loop. It does look like a massive loop. $29.47. Not going to be that $52.84 price, so that's good. We have a Slumber, a Suf, let's see, Serta Sheer Slumber 8-inch medium firm cooling gel. There you go. I think I'm guessing it's a mattress. Is it a mattress? It's a mattress. Okay, $377. So normally priced $419. $770.06 for this billiards, but it's going to be just $499. Normally priced $900. Wow. So $400 off basically. $25 for this Disney Princess Fold and Go Celebration Castle. We also have this mini projector for $50. I have to say, we have a mini projector that we use in our basement on a white wall. Love it. It's so much fun. We set up the kids' video games. They have a blast. $44 for a wireless printer. $49.88 for a more Funko Pop. Oh, Elf. How much fun is that? $99 for Blue Diamond ceramic nonstick 30-piece cookware set. $32.99 on this leather women's tote bag. $35 for a mainstay side storage desk. Bronze Series electric shaver is going to be $219.94 as opposed to $239.97. Wow. $16.98 for some Monster drink. I love it how you can buy snacks and drinks with all of this as well. $199 with your for this portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. You also have a $59 option for the Bluetooth computer speakers. $59 option for the Green Life 18-piece soft grip, toxin-free, healthy ceramic pots and pans set there. That's funny. $99 for a stroller. Like I said, if you've got a little one coming, this may be the time to grab some of this stuff. $90 for some Cocomelon Wheels on the Bus wooden activity table. Fun, fun, fun. I need some rugs. We've got some for $50, it looks like. We also have this portable speaker for $79, and then we also have more Paw Patrol here. True Metal Total City Rescue vehicle playset for $23. More Funko Pop there. Def Leppard, $49.88. You have another soundbar for $29. We have a notebook for $129. Rainbow Corns, Unicorn Rescue Surprise. Okay, so those are going to be $30. That's actually a really good deal. My daughter, my older daughter, was really into those. A couple of years we had to buy different ones of those. I don't think that's the case this year. But that's a pretty good price for those. $30 for some action figures there. Not real sure what kind of action figures those are, but more Persian rugs there for $50. You have an exercise bike for $397. We also have a Gateway notebook for $109. Wooden Playhouse for just $178. And then you also have this other TV here for $1,298. So there's some about $300 worth of savings there. Hey, we're not done. Let's move on to the next page. Some pretty good deals. Now, just a reminder that if you are shopping online, you need to be on Rakuten. Okay, so go to Rakuten and join up today. Use my referral code. It's in the description box below. Basically what it does is going to give you a percentage of what you spend back. So it always changes. So I'm not real sure what it is going to be for this particular sale, but it will, it will vary from sale to sale or from week to week, but you will get money back. So it's just another savings tool. All you have to do is go to Rakuten first and then sign into Walmart go to from their page, and then you can get money back when you make your first purchase. And if you spend a 30 or more, you're going to get $30 back. So it's almost like getting something for free, your first time use, but you have to use my referral code to get that $30 back. Okay. So go to the description box below and sign up for that today. All right. Sorry for that little commercial. I feel like that was a commercial there. Let's look at the $298 TV that is going to be $228 on Cyber Monday. We also have some food storage there for $24.48. A desktop for $399. That says Black Friday. I wonder if that's going on right now. Interesting. Okay, sorry. $299 for this laptop. We have a $39.96 for this upright carpet vacuum. I wonder if it's also going on during Cyber Monday. It's currently going on for Black Friday. It's going on. That could possibly be why it's there. $99 for the Toast Air dual function air fryer toaster. Fun. $28 for the lighted mini fridge. We also have another notebook there for $249. We have the Power Wheels Jurassic World Dino Racer for $197. Catan, one of my favorite games, for $29.97. $55 for an Xbox Series X. Does it say a mini fridge? That's a mini fridge. 8-can mini fridge. Okay, cool. $998 on this TV. And then we also have $849 for this gaming laptop. All right. Okay, so this actually interests me. I am adopting a little boy who's, I think, in first grade, and he's really into dinosaurs. And so when I was kind of scanning through some of the items, I saw this one stick out to me for $12.50, a whole little Smashers Dino Island Mega Egg novelty toy. I thought this would be a really great one to get for that because he's into dinosaurs. We also have $10 for this Play-Doh Ultimate Rainbow Pack. Moving on down, Better Homes and Gardens size fragrance warmers for $14.88. $33 for a KidCraft wooden Aerodeck outdoor chair. Very cool. It's a kid's chair. Very cool. So if you go to the beach a lot, that might be kind of cool. We have a retro refrigerator for $178. And we also have, oh, what is this? A magnetic learning tiles. My kids always love to play with these. We never had them, but anytime we were out someplace, like a science center or something like that, they really enjoyed them. So $30 for that pack. $229 for the Apple Watch. We have a K-Cup. That is the Keurig single serve there. $89. No, $49. Oh, wow. Was $89. Well, that's a bummer. My mother-in-law just bought my brother-in-law one of those for Christmas. That would have been a much better deal than what she got at Kohl's. Wow. Okay. Let's see. The metal bunk bed's going to be $159. $35 for a Amazfit BIP3 Urban Edition smartwatch. There you go. A great deal there, actually. I may get that for my son. $14.97 on this spice rack, and then another kind of Apple Watch here for $229. Ticket to Ride, fun game. If you've never played this game, it's actually a really fun game. I have good friends. They like to buy all these games. And I actually picked up a Wingspan at Meijer yesterday because it was 50% off. It's another fun game. So if you're looking for games to play with your family that are different, this is a great one. $29.97. $44 for another outdoor kids craft chair. So very fun there. $14.88 for some Merry Christmas pillows for your couch. Another notebook for $349. $73 for a Wrangler hard side spinner luggage set. $129 for let's see, what is that? Tablet, sorry. It's a whatever, an M10 Plus third generation 10-inch tablet. Sorry, I'm trying to read all. I try to skim to like the basic part of it. Sorry. Another kids craft item, outdoor wooden table and bench, super cute, $149. And then you also have this little outdoor play set for $358. This is so cute. I'd love to see them all put together. I don't have that kind of money, but that'd be fun. $14.97 for a Disney Frozen 3D Tierra bike helmet there for children. Sorry, that was a mouthful. $25 for the Hot Wheels Toxic Gorilla Slam. More play sets here. So this would be a great time to order some play sets. $335 for the Seaside Cottage outdoor wooden play area. You have the Cranbrook wooden outdoor backyard swing set for just $898. It does say it's about $50 in shipping, so kind of take that into consideration. That's nice that they put that there, because usually I feel like that's like a hidden cost, but it's normally almost $1,500. So you're getting quite a bit of savings even with that shipping cost involved. A big backyard wooden outdoor swing set for $600. It would normally price $604.80, but it's going to be $396. Rainbow Corn Fairy Corn Surprise Series is going to be $12.50. All right, so those are probably a little bit smaller, but that's good to know. That's a lot cheaper there. And then we have an arched outdoor toddler play climber for $110 there. Fisher Price Little People's Friends house there for $28. $45 for a mixing cauldron. Okay. Kid Craft wooden outdoor picnic table for $74. You have Barbie 6-doll sports career for $25. And another one, this says Black Friday deal. So again, I'm wondering if it continues on to Cyber Monday, but going to be $19.97 there for that Hot Wheels monster trucks. We have a Kid Craft Hop and Slide Frog Toddler Climber for $74, $30 for Harry Potter 8-inch dolls. It's a 4-pack. All right, so if you've got somebody in Harry Potter world, it looks like we've got Ron, Harry, Hermione, and Luna there in the picture. Electric scooter for just $348. We also have whatever this is, Kid Craft Nerf Command Base Battle Fort wooden 2-story. Wow, so it's big. It doesn't look that big in the picture, but it's big. $966 plus $50 in shipping. You also have the Kid Craft Austin wooden outdoor swing set there for $966. Lots of outdoor stuff. $366 for this wooden cabin. We have the sandbox for $96. $55 for the LOL Surprise Glamper. Another Black Friday Beyblade, $30. It says right now it's $30.31. So it's 31 cents more expensive. And it says Black Friday deal. Again, I'm not real sure why those are popping up, other than unless they're just continuing on. So that's interesting. $140 for the Kid Craft there, bench. And last but not least, a notebook, which doesn't have a price. All right, guys. So let me know in the comments if you see, they actually see a lot more here with the Cyber Monday deals than I did with Black Friday deals that I might want to grab. And the best part is I'm going to use Rakuten and get money back. So make sure you sign up for that today. Use my referral code. So your first sale or first purchase is you're going to get $30 back when you spend $30. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.